Engineerable.
Okay, I'm going to be unboxing this 3D Facture Weaver SLA printer. So let's dig in and see what's in this box. It looks pretty securely packaged. This is taped on up here. So, foam, quick start guide. So this right here. More foam. So far, so good. Let's see, USB cable. What could be in here? Oh, looks like a little kit of tools and SD card, nippers, an actual legit SanDisk card, and let's see what tools are included in here. So we got some nippers, scraper, same thing that comes with the Photon, and a few hand tools, tweezers, hex wrenches, let's see, there's more goodies in here. In here we have power adapter, looks like a bottle of black resin, 3D Facture resin. I can already smell the delicious resin. This looks like another bottle of resin. Got some more black resin. Kind of been nice they had included maybe two different ones, but it's okay. And the printer itself is down here. So it's a pretty big printer. Takes up most of the box space. And I'm wondering, do I lift or do I pull the bottom off? And I think I lift because the bottom appears to be glued on. So maybe I more like slide out on its back rather than lifting. I can probably take a piece of foam out, get my hand under there. Not the easiest thing to take out. Pretty hefty printer. Took away your stand. Took away your chair. Actually, you can probably still use the box afterwards. It's definitely a large printer. Much larger than the Photon was. And it's arrived, I don't see any damage or marks. Looks good. We have display in the front, probably SD card slot. It's not the most beautiful raw aluminum ever, but I'm not going to complain too much. Got USB, power. There's a loose magnet in there. I don't know what that's from. So to open it, the question is, oh, there we go. How do we open it? It's like that. What is this loose magnet back here? That's interesting that this is steel, but it's only one. What the magnet is for. So, quick start guide. Insert SD card to your computer. Load model, STL file in the Weaver software. Edit slice, save the G code. File an SD card. Insert SD card to Weaver printer. Insert resin tank and build platform. Pour the resin in the resin tank. Seems pretty straightforward. So we can go to printing pretty fast. That was a surprising spark. I feel like I'm going to have to file the edges off this a little bit. It's going to cut me. It's definitely sturdy. So, ooh. That was a bit stuck.